Hey, what's up guys? We got more news on the Time Wonderland project, and this is a big news. This is something you should care about if you invest in Time Wonderland, in the project, in the DAO. If you want to participate in the project, like you have to know about this news. This is big. So apparently today on the Time Wonderland Discord channel, on their announcement channel, Sifu, the admin, one of the devs, the owners of the Time Wonderland project, announced that we would like to welcome Stanley Kluchev, the founder of Aave, and 0x Wangarian of Defiance Capital, who will be helping to secure our platform and asset by joining the Multisig. Your funds are safe. So what does this all mean? Well, let's talk about it. The first thing I want to explain to you is the multi-sig concept. So as you know, as I explained in my other video, the treasury of the treasury of Time Wonderland project is in a couple of wallets, right? It's in somewhere, it's stored somewhere, and somebody has the key to that wallet, so they can spend it the way they want. Now, if you read, like, that sounds not so safe, right? What if this person goes AWOL and they decided to, hey, let me just rug pull everybody, and they just take the money and run? Like, this can happen when you only need one secret phrase to get access to your wallet. So it's not really safe to do it this way, and that's why Time Wonderland project has a multi-sig wallet set up. So what is it? I'll link this article in the description below. Basically, this requires multiple people to sign the wallet in order to access the content of the wallet. So that's how it works. As you can see from the picture here, if Justin signs it, Vieti signed, but Craig doesn't want to sign it, then nobody can access the funding here. So this makes it a bit more secure because you get 3 people to all agree on something, then they can access the wallets. Now, that's the upside, is that you need multiple verification in order to access the fund. But the downside is, if this one person had a fight, or this person got arrested, or they got killed, then there's no way for them to access the content of this wallet, right? So there's real danger here because you spreading your risk out to 3 different people. So that's the risk. There's upside, but then there's downside to this. So this article will go into detail about the upsides and downsides. So I highly recommend you take a look at it, and then try to understand what this means. So back to Wonderland. So what this means is that now there'll be a couple of people who will all need to sign the wallet in order for them to use the treasury money. Now, my other video went over the first voting election that's going on for what to do with the treasury, so check out that video. So let's say the date of the election has ended and we've decided what to do with the fund. That means all of these people will have to go in there and sign the wallet, and then they can start move the fund to what's needed to be done. That's all there is to it. Now, who are these people? Well, let's go over. The first person is the Stanley guy. This person is the founder of Aave. Now, for those of you who don't know, if you go to DeFi Llama and sort all the DeFi world by the top total value locked exchanges, Aave is number 3, and it has $17 billion in there, right? So one of the person who needs to sign the key is the founder of Aave. So that gives you a lot of legitimacy to this project, to Wonderland, to like make you feel safer that this person is not going to rug pull you, because most likely they already have a ton of money from their own projects, right? Now the second person, this person, I admit I don't know who they are, but this 0x Wangarian guy, I looked it up on Twitter. So apparently he's the capital allocator of Defiance Capital. So what is Defiance Capital? Defiance Capital is Asia's largest DeFi-focused crypto fund, founded by this person. So this is pretty big. It is the biggest DeFi fund in Asia. So that means they have money and they don't need to rug pull you in order to make money. So that's pretty important. And what's really interesting is that this person, Daniel, this is the person who's behind the Wonderland projects. He's a public figure, very interesting personality, so definitely check him out. We talk about him all the time on Discord, so come over here and learn and talk, and we're happy to help each other out with this. So Daniel talked about adding another person to the multi-signer. So that person is Fluffy Pony. Now, so for those of you who don't know who that is, Fluffy Pony, let's click on him. This person is the creator of Monero, the Monero token, the Monero coin, famously known for its ability to hide your transaction, to obscure your transaction. Now, for those of you who don't know, you want to look him up. This person, he's actually been behind bars. He was actually arrested for defrauding a couple of people for $100,000. There's a big story behind it here, but he was pretty much arrested in South Africa, and apparently he just got released. So I'm kind of like not really a fan of this, having this person on board of this multi-sig. But again, I don't know much about this person, but you have to do your own research about who he is, what he does, and what his potential motivation might be. Because remember, there's real risk. If all it takes is one person to not sign it, then you won't be able to access anything in here, right? So yeah, that is what I want to go over. It's a really big news, and for those of you who are in time Wonderland, this should give you a bit of reassurance that this is not a rug pull and your funds are safe, right? So yeah, check it out. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you like it, please press the like button. It will help with the algorithm. And join our Discord. Come in here, come talk. We're not a pump and dump group. We're a small group of crypto people. We really enjoy helping each other out. So yeah, come join, and I'll see you guys next time.